This is what your Windows 7 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to get Windows 11 look on your Windows 7 computer. If you are Windows 7 user and want to a Windows 11 look, so I'll show you step by step how to get that Windows 11 look on your Windows 7 computer. Stick around, I'll show you step by step how to do that. Let's dive in. Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how to make your Windows 7 look like Windows 11 step by step. So first thing first, you have to create a registry point. Click on search and in here into type create and then select create a registry point and then select your C drive and then click on create and give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a registry point. In case anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using this registry point. Okay, now we need to ready your system for using custom themes. To do that, you have to install this software just on zip files and open this folder. And here you can see these two software available on its x64 and on its x86. x86 is added. So let me show you. So as you can see, my operating system is 64-bit, so I'm going to use this one. So right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK and then click on yes. So after that you will see an interface like this and then click on patch and then click on patch and then click on patch and then click on OK. So it will require reboot. Click yes to restart your computer. Okay, now our system is ready to install custom theme. So we're going to apply the theme. Open this theme folder and copy these theme files and then go to my computer, local disk C, Windows folder, and in here you need to find resources directory and open theme directory and paste it here. And now right click on desktop and then go to personalize, and in here you need to select this Windows 11 theme. Okay, so theme has been applied. Now we need to apply the icon pack. Here you can see this icon pack. Just right click on it and click on rename and remove this remove text and then right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on I accept and next and click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the process. I'll be right back after installation has been completed. Installation has been complete. Just click on finish to reboot your computer and then click on OK. Okay, icon pack installation has been completed. Now we need to make some changes in our Explorer and taskbar as well. First you have to extract this file and then open this folder, and in here you can see these tools called customizer code. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. So here you can see this error. To run this application you must install the following version: .NET version 4. So you have to install this .NET version 4. So just download this .NET framework and install it. And then click on install. So it will take some time to complete the process. I'll be right back after completing this installation. Okay, so .NET has been installed. Now we have to customize our Explorer and taskbar as well. To do that you have to use this software called customizer code. just open this folder. Now we can run customizer code. Right click on it and then click run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, then you will see a interface like this. Just select this logo and then click on change and go to desktop and go to Windows 11 setup folder and go to this folder again and go to taskbar, and in here you need to select this one, and then we need to make some changes to navigation bottom. Just select that navigation bottom. First we have to change the frame. Just select that frame and then click on change, then go to this explorer and in here you have to choose this frame and then click on disable and then click on change, and in here you have to select this disable and then default, then click on change and you have to select this default one and then mouse over, just select that one and then change and select this one. We have to change all this one, then click on paste and then click on change and select that one. Now select this one and then click change and select this one and then click on search and then change, and in here you have to select I guess this one, and okay, now click on system branding and select that logo and then click on change and go to this logo folder, and in here you can see the system branding. Just select that and then base branding, just select this one and click on change, and here you can see this base branding. Just select this one and login screen branding, just select this section and select this and login screen branding. Okay, now we're done here. Just close it and then open Windows setup folder again. Go to this folder. Here you can see the Explorer has been changed now, and open Windows 7 login background changer. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, now in here you have to choose a folder. Just go to your desktop and choose Windows 7 wallpaper and then click on OK and select that wallpaper and then click on apply. So it has applied now. Now we have to add the Windows 11 taskbar logo. To do that you have to open Windows customizer code again, then click on yes. Okay, now select this section and then click on change, and now go to logo section and in here you need to select Windows 11 orb, and that's it. I guess it's not perfect, but it at least don't kill your PC. And this is how you can make your Windows 7 look like Windows 11 completely. Oh, I forgot to add the wallpaper. Just right click the wallpaper and click on set as desktop background, and that's it. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.